If you just closed on your home, congratulations. Now let's talk about what you should do right away to protect your investment, save money, and start off strong here in South Florida. First, you're gonna file for your property tax exemptions. In South Florida, one of the best financial moves you can make after closing is filing for your homestead exemption. And you have to do it within the first 60 days of ownership. The homestead exemption can save you thousands per year by lowering your assessed property value for tax purposes. Depending on your situation, you may qualify for additional exemptions like senior, disabilities, or veteran exemptions. These programs are designed to make home ownership more affordable, so you don't want to miss that window. Find out where your main water shutoff valve is. If it wasn't clearly noted in your inspection report, you'll want to locate it yourself. Start by following the water line coming in from the street. The valve should be the first connection point between that and your home. It's often capped in yellow, red, or blue. Knowing exactly where it is can save you from serious water damage if a leak or a burst pipe ever occurs, especially during South Florida's heavy rain or hurricane season. Replace your smoke detectors with dual function units. You'll want detectors that test for both smoke and carbon monoxide. If your home already has new ones, go ahead and replace the battery to start fresh. It's a simple step to ensure safety and peace of mind, especially during those summer months when air conditioning units and other systems are running constantly. Be sure to replace all of your door locks. Even in the safest communities, it's smart to change your locks as soon as you move in. You never know who still has a copy of the old keys. Today, smart locks are an easy and affordable upgrade. You can enter with a code, manage access remotely, and even lock or unlock your front door from your phone. It's added security with modern convenience, perfect for South Florida living, where many homeowners travel frequently. If you have any questions about how to set up your home in South Florida, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is down below. Continuing down the list, shop your insurance and utilities. South Florida insurance rates can vary dramatically, so take the time to compare quotes. Home insurance, flood insurance, and even wind coverage can all be bundles for savings. The same goes for utilities. Internet and energy providers often run promotions that can save you money every year. Set a reminder to recheck rates annually. Loyalty doesn't always mean the best price. And obviously, I left the best for last. Make sure to make one payment a year towards your mortgage principal. This one simple trick can cut years off your mortgage and save you thousands in interest. The easiest way is to divide your monthly payment by 12 and add that amount towards your principal each month. Over time, this small, consistent effort builds real equity faster and helps you pay off your home much sooner. After closing, take care of these essentials right away. File for your tax exemptions, locate your water shutoff valve, update the smoke detectors and locks, review your insurance and utilities, and start paying a little extra towards your principal. These steps will help you save money, stay safe, and protect your investment for years to come. And that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for all things South Florida real estate and lifestyle.